In this episode of Sailing Doodles, we get some amazing footage of the Phuket Regatta, and then we have some shenanigans on the beach. Thank you to our patrons for making this channel possible, and thank you to Catamaran.com for letting us sail the boat we're currently on. Alright, we are still here in Phuket. Today we are going to see the King's Cup Regatta.
King's Cup Regatta, woohoo!
It's the biggest regatta in Phuket or Thailand, I believe. They have some like foiling catamarans, foiling trimarans. Should be some really fast boats out there. Should be really cool. We're actually going to be out there on a power cat riding around, so we'll get right in the action. Hopefully bring you some good shots. First thing though, I need a pharmacy. These beds are, we got a hotel here, but they're like, the beds are hard as a rock and it's killing my back.
Nah, it was that sexy Asian massage, Bobby. Don't lie to everyone. It could have been that, seriously. I did get a massage yesterday too, and like, she was really hard on my back. Could have been that. Oh well, pharmacy though. Say it again. You can just hear the electricity just snapping like.
Bob from CharterCatamaran.com picked us up in his power cat and took us out to watch the race. We made it past the smaller boats and headed out to where the big boys were racing. There were Corsairs, TP52s, and a few foiling trimarans. This trimaran is named Fugazi, and it's amazing how fast this boat is going, at least 25 knots. Unfortunately, their race ended just as we got out there. That's okay though, because there's plenty of other boats ready to race. So the start line is right here. They just had those three boats. They're in one class. They just went off. They'll be coming back around. I'm not sure exactly where they're going, but then you have more boats right here lining up to cross at the same time. Kind of the way they do it is they have like a set time you're supposed to cross the finish line or start line. If you cross too early, you get disqualified or penalized or whatever. So there's an art to that. You can see just how close the boats get together as they jockey for position and try to angle other boats out of the way. Oh, they're finishing?
The boats are not marked there.
So that's the finish line. These two boats just finished. It's hard to say who actually won because they have like handicaps and all that stuff. So.
He probably won because he gives time for this boat, but not very much. And I think he finished by enough to beat it.
Right. Okay. Oh, maybe so. The first boat across the line won.
This guy's got 3 of these boats.
Does he?
In Asia and another 1 or 2 in Australia.
Must be nice to have that many boats.
He just bought a new one because he wasn't beating this one.
Oh, really?
So this is a new one.
This is a new one. You may recognize Grin from Southeast Asia Pilot. We used your book. Thank you so much. It was really helpful.
Yeah, did you find anything with it?
Yeah. We used it a lot.
Run aground?
Yeah, it was great.
Good.
So, anyway, we'll link below if you want to see it. It really was a treat being among these amazing boats as they competed. Well, what'd you think, Laura?
I loved it.
Pretty cool. They're kind of doing a short day today, so racing's already over, I think.
You know what that means. It's Pier 30.
Pier 30. We really can't thank Bob enough from CharterCatamaran.com for giving us this opportunity. Well, that was a fun day on the water. It was only a half day of racing though. But some of those boats are hauling butt, and we missed the trimarans. The trimarans, like the really fast ones, like there's a foiling one and all that. They went earlier in the morning before we got out there, so maybe we'll get to see them next time.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, really cool. Fast boats.
Very salty, very sweaty. A lot of wind out there.
But just how coordinated those crews were, seeing how they're jibing the spinnaker and all that, that's just, they're really good.
Yeah, that was pretty impressive.
So, let's go grab a drink.
Beer 30, baby, beer 30.
We were a bit early for the regatta party, but it soon turned into an absolute bash.
Give me something new. I want it back through and through. Just do it. I'll let you rule. I know you like to break the rules, and my cry is being too good for you. I'm too good to you.
Come nightfall, the place was completely packed. Though as the tide came in, it made the attendance area just a little bit smaller.
So what if there's a little sexual harassment on this job?
She sexual harasses me.
I do.
She does.
Somebody's got to do it.
Well, only a couple more nights here in Singapore. I almost said that. Phuket.
Only a couple more nights in Phuket.
Yeah. I said Singapore because it looks like we're going to be going to the Singapore regatta, the Neptune regatta. Yeah, we're going to be on a cruiser's boat, Troy in Singapore. Thank you for the offer. We're going to be crew on his boat for that
Really?
race. Yeah.
I didn't realize it was Troy.
Yeah.
I just thought he had details.
No, it's his boat.
Ah, Troy, you're the best.
Yeah, so I think he's got a Beneteau 50, kind of almost exactly like the one we sailed earlier. So
we know how to do that.
yeah, we're going to be crew on that boat and be in the regatta race for that, so it should be a lot of fun. But so tomorrow we're taking Nina the cat back to her anchorage, and then we're kind of done sailing on this trip. We are going to be heading back to film some more boat tour stuff. And then we're actually going to go to Chiang Mai for 4 or 5 days?
We're gonna stay at a place where an elephant comes through your bedroom window and asks for snacks.
I mean, there's a picture of it. I don't know if that actually happens.
It happens. I'll have bananas and all kinds of stuff ready for them.
Okay, well, we'll try. So we're gonna go Chiang Mai for 4 or 5 days, so we'll film some there too. Obviously won't be any sailing because it's landlocked there, but hopefully it gives you more experience of Thailand. So we're gonna hang out on the beach today, get some more footage of that, and then sail tomorrow and then to Chiang Mai.
Wrap it up.
There you go. Thank you again to our patrons. You can become a patron for as little as $1.